In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up Gmail storage. If you've ever been hit with that storage warning, you know how stressful it can be. Your Google account gives you 15 gigabytes of free space, and that total is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. When that fills up, Gmail won't let you send or receive new messages. The fastest way to clear meaningful space is to target emails with attachments, because those files are what usually take up the most room. Start by opening Gmail and going to the search bar at the top. In that box, type has attachment, just like that, and then press enter. Gmail will instantly filter your inbox and show only messages that include files, things like photos, PDFs, presentations, and videos. This view is your shortcut to the biggest space savers, since removing a single message with a large attachment can free far more storage than deleting dozens of text-only emails. Take a moment to scan through the results. Look for messages you no longer need, old newsletters with attachments, automated reports, duplicates someone resent, or threads where the attachment has already been saved elsewhere. You can click into a message to confirm what the file is, but if you recognize it from the subject line or sender, you can act right from the list. When you're ready, select the unwanted emails. Use the checkbox beside each message to choose individual items. If you're cleaning up a range, click the checkbox on the first message, hold Shift, and click the checkbox on the last one to select everything in between. Be deliberate here. When you delete an email, its attachments go with it. If something might be important, leave it unchecked. With your unwanted emails selected, click the trash can icon to delete them. Gmail will move those messages out of your inbox, and because attachments are the main storage hogs, you'll typically see a meaningful impact after this cleanup. Keep in mind, the goal is not to delete everything, just the messages and files you truly don't need. That's really all there is to it. By searching for has attachment, pressing enter, selecting the emails you don't want, and clicking delete, you're focusing your effort where it matters most. Make this a quick routine whenever you're nearing your storage limit, and you'll stay well within your 15 gigabytes. If you ever find Gmail refusing to send or receive because you're full, this simple cleanup is the fastest first fix. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.